Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this VW Tiguan. So this car comes with 18-inch alloy wheels, you get tinted rear windows, front and rear parking sensors. Inside the car you've got the touchscreen that features DAB digital radio, as well as CD player and Bluetooth. On top of this you get air conditioning, there's also automatic headlights, and the car features park assist. So let's have a look around. This car has 3 previous keepers. It's got the 2-litre diesel engine that gives you 138 horsepower. It's a 6-speed manual gearbox. The car's done under 51,000 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Used Car Centre in Yeovil. Thank you.